everybody, I'm Melody Lowenstein.
Hi everyone, I'm Mike Lowenstein.
We're from Ross Michael Salon in Seattle, Washington.
We've been a part of the PRAVANA collective now for 4 years.
We specialize in pastel, metallic, and platinum hair.
And today we're actually going to be featuring our signature holographic technique. It'll be a global lightening featuring Ultra Lightener, one of our favorites, and followed up with our signature and favorite products, the Express Tones line. You gotta tone the tone.
Tone to set the tone. Very important step. You don't want to miss this. And then we're going to finish up with my personal favorite, Vivid Pastels.
Vivid pastels, very important. We're gonna love it.
It's going to be awesome. Keep watching.
Hey everybody, we just want to thank you so much for joining us today. We had a great time showing and sharing our signature holographic technique with you.
And make sure to follow PRAVANA on all social media for more inspiration and education.
Always.
And follow us too at Ross Michael Salon.